Alrighty, so we're working on the fuel side of our nitrous system for our 50 shot we're going to do for these turbos. So I got to make this 90 here into the fuel solenoid here, and there ain't much hose left to work with, as you can imagine. So I've got the push-to-lock hose boiling. Just boiling it for a couple minutes, and I've got the actual fittings, the Push-Lok fittings in the freezer. I'll try to show you how to do this. The reflection's crazy, isn't it? Huh. You want to get your hose all the way up into that collar. Let's go for the straight fitting. See if we got the hose long enough this time. Last time it was too short. Cool. That's it. I don't know if it's going to make the turn we need for the fuel side, but let's find out.